Signals is the newer concept that is introduced in the latest update of Angular, and that is what we are going to learn in this dedicated section. But before that, we need to understand the few basic things about signals. So just like the name says, it gives you the signals. The signals concept was inspired from the already existing feature in SolidJS named signals as well. It follows a push-pull pattern where push allows you to set new values or mutate the original value, and pull allows you to retrieve those values. So basically, the signals provide an alternative way to manage the state changes inside the application. The signal acts as a wrapper around the value, that is the state, and when the value is changed, all the linked components and modules are notified about the change. This is the main behavior and a strong feature for reactive programming. Without signals, Angular performs the change detection cycle automatically for every component, which in the long run can impact the performance of the application. But with signals, we can perform the change detection synchronously just by calling the signal function. A change detection will be done at the component level only when the signal changes without the need to traverse the whole component tree. Signals are a primitive reactive system in Angular. This means that they can not only be used in the component but also outside the component, that is, in services. So let's dive deeper with signals in forthcoming lectures.